Let's put this vacuum to the test with some up-close shots. But before we do, let's unbox it and put it together. Here's our vacuum overview, starting with the upper handle. Then we have our tank release button, washable pre-motor filter, dirt tank empty button, washable post motor filter, hose clip, power cord, lower cord wrap, hose wand, power switch pedal, and lastly our handle recline pedal. Let's unbox our Bissell PowerForce Helix upright vacuum 3313 series. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Nayna. We do product reviews, live streams, and so much more to come in the future. But today we have our handy dandy instruction manual ready for this PowerForce Helix vacuum. So let's get into the unboxing and product review. In fact, I had this vacuum inside this box for a solid year, waiting to film this unboxing. So there's random toys and things in there, but for the most part, this is what it looks like once you open the box. If you're wondering why did it take a year to film this video, all I have to say is mom life. I had a newborn baby and now he's 2. Now I have a little bit more time just to film a video here or there. So I'm excited to open it, read the instruction manual, and see what this vacuum is all about. We're a heavy duty household, so I hope this vacuum works for our family. So far, I'm liking how it's packaged. Everything is covered and protected. As we end this unboxing, I wanted to show you guys there's 2 screws taped to the upper handle. The body of the vacuum, your extension wand, the hose. Filming videos is like a workout for me. I sweat every single time. But anyways, this is your crevice tool. The handle that goes on the body with 2 screws. Lower cord wrap to keep things organized and sweat on my hands. Ew, I'm sorry. Let's see what the separator looks like by removing the dirt tank from the vacuum, pressing the dirt tank empty button, and twisting on the separator. That's what it looks like. Easy peasy. Don't forget to twist counterclockwise. And this separator can also be rinsed and dried with a cloth. No bags needed, so you can save your money. Your vacuum has a cleaning path width of 13 inches. It weighs 12 pounds and it has a 2-row rotating brush. And this is what it looks like. My instruction manual says to insert the end of the hose into the back of the vacuum and twist right to lock it into place. Please give me 10 minutes while I do that. Don't forget to twist to the right. So obviously I skipped a step by not attaching the hose. However, it says to wrap the hose through the hose clip and connect the hose wand to the foot hose at the bottom of the vacuum. I will do that now. I skipped a step, but it's never too late. Let's place the upper handle onto the base and push down. Now we're going to attach the handle using 2 screws that were taped to the handle in the plastic bag. We placed our hose on a hose clip and we're looking good. Now we do the screws. And this is what I look like when I don't read instruction manuals. And now we know why I have to. While you and my little precious Zane patiently wait for me to figure out where this piece goes, in this clip coming up, we're going to insert the lower cord wrap and turn it left to lock into place. Thank you guys for waiting. Okay, so now that we have our instruction manual, we now know that the dusting brush actually goes there, not the crevice tool. So it always pays to have your instruction manual. My heart melts so much watching him stand there trying to be so patient while I figure this vacuum out. Hold on, Zane baby. Thank you for your patience. I see you're waiting patiently. Alright guys, So now I want to give you guys some close-up shots, just in case you're interested in purchasing it, you haven't yet, you want to see what it looks like more in detail. I'm giving you some close-ups. Those are the 2 screws that comes with it that you have to screw in. You'll see in the next clip coming up. We try to use the power drill to screw it in. It does not work. Well, it does work, but it works better when you do it manually by hand. You see, we're trying to use a tool, and it just wasn't as effective as doing it this way. It was in tighter. It just felt more secure. So there's a tip for you. Here's an important tip to note. At the bottom of your vacuum, you have 2 pedals. Your red pedal is to turn the vacuum on and off. Your gray pedal is to recline your vacuum. The first time you press the gray handle recline pedal, it's going to lean your vacuum back. The second time you press the pedal, it's going to recline it further. This allows you to get to those hard to reach places like under your bed and under your coffee table. When you're finished, lean your vacuum all the way up to lock it into upright position. I strongly encourage you to read your instruction manual and look at further information that your instruction manual may give. Sometimes there's a barcode you can scan to go to its website, and keep check on your products for recalls or anything else they may want to update you with. Okay, so you see this blue sticker here. This blue sticker is stating to clean your filter monthly and to replace your filter every 3 to 6 months. And you can also scan the QR code that's on that sticker to buy more filters. They make it easy for you. Please keep up to date with your products and the information on its websites by referring back to your instruction manuals or the numbers that are on your products, just in case things change in the future. And again, this video is not sponsored. Bissell, if you'd like to sponsor Nayna Home More or partner to review one of your products, I would love to give our audience an honest review. I got this list off the Bissell website for this vacuum cleaner. These are all the floors that this vacuum cleaner can clean. So you have already seen that your vacuum can be raised or lowered to adjust to your different types of floors. My instruction manual tells me that if my vacuum cleaner becomes difficult to push, to move it to a higher settings. Okay guys, we're all done with the instruction manual. Now let's get into the demo. This is my realistic demo on the Bissell PowerForce Helix Upright Vacuum 3313 series. Here's the sounds and functions. This is a sponsor for sneakers. Have you got your sneakers today? JK, I'm just joking, guys. There's no sponsor. This video is not sponsored, and there's no sponsor for shoes. I just thought it was funny because their shoes kept being in the shot. But if you guys are looking for a comfortable shoe that is easy to put on, these are called Skechers Slip-ins. They're Ultra Flex 3.0, and this is the color Mauve that I'm wearing. Okay, guys, let's get back to the video. As you see, a lot of crumbs are left behind, and that's because the bristles are too high to sweep up the crumbs. So that means we need to lower it down. So because we have hardwood floors, let's try the function that says bare floors. If you look closely, you can see that it's pushing around some of the crumbs. I am impressed with the performance, but for these larger crumbs, next time I'm going to select level 2. Okay guys, for my family, level 2 is needed. I found that it took a couple of passes to complete each spot. Although it has the power, I found that the power is not as effective if you don't have it on the right function. This trial and error for me. As you can see, I kept lifting the vacuum up to suck in the big chunks when I could have just turned it to a level 2 or 3. We already know high carpet, because it's not a carpet, it's hardwood, wasn't working. So if you're like me looking for a budget-friendly vacuum until you're ready to purchase your top-of-the-line vacuum with all the bells and whistles, all the information being said, I use this vacuum every day. To get the most effective clean, I change the levels based on how big or small the crumbs are. have it on a wrong level and didn't switch it up to try different functions. It's just been pushing around the crumbs. So I do want to add some clips at the end showing me use the pipe or the crevice tool. So I apologize to you, the viewers. I did not use the accessories. They come with the vacuum for purposes like that. So I'll put some clips in at the end of the video. Okay guys, so if you were curious on the rating that I give this product, from 1 to 10, I give it a 6. It comes with the proper amount of tools, it's easy to use, and it has a decent power, a decent suction for its affordable price. It is not your high budget, super power suction, but it will get the job done. So I give it a 6. If you have this vacuum, leave in the comments down below what you rate it. And also, if you're thinking about buying it, what do you think from the demo that I showed you in real time? What do you guys think? Leave it in a comment below. Yes, I rated a 6, but this is a great vacuum to have if you have a tight budget and you're trying to meet other life goals. This will get the job done. I use this vacuum, my children use this vacuum. When we put it on the correct levels, this vacuum does clean our home floors. And we didn't have to spend a lot of money. So if you're looking for something on a budget, this is your vacuum. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next product review. Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know life call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we